Hello, my dear friends. Friends, I was viewing some videos on YouTube and I found a video on YouTube. It must be some college or university, and on the stage there were three students sitting, and they asked a question to a very famous Indian guru. And the question was that if people follow the basic rules of morality like justice, equality, and fraternity, then what is the scope for developing spiritually? Why we need spiritual development then? Are these moral principles not enough? Now, Guruji gave a elaborate answer, but the students seem to be not satisfied because they wanted a straight answer. So I thought I must make a video and try to give a simple answer to this, because a simple question like the one the student put requires a simple answer. Why to complicate things? Something very important wasn't mentioned by that Guruji. Now see, these moral principles are very good. Oh, of course, they should be sufficient to have a good society, right? But the point is, if we look at reality, people fall very easily from their moral values. There are so many temptations in life, and out of greed or lust or greed of power, people fall. So what is the guarantee? The main question is, what is the guarantee that a person won't fall, will stick to these values under all circumstances? We have seen there are so many examples. Very powerful people, they fall. So what is the guarantee? So the guarantee lies only in spiritual development. Now how? Let me explain a little bit. See, the nature has created, nature or God, divine system, whatever you call, has created a veil, deceptive veil, which we in Sanskrit call Maya. हिंदी में कहें तो एक पर्दा है, माया का पर्दा. So there is a veil, deceptive veil. You can't see it, but it is there. Through your experiences, when you develop spiritually, then you know. Because developing spiritually means enabling yourself to pierce through that veil. And only unless you are able, through your spiritual development, to pierce through that veil, to look on the other side, because on the other side is the reality. Until that time, you don't know what is truth. Until that time, you are not developed enough so that you do not fall back due to any kind of temptation. So developing spiritually means enabling yourself to look at the picture in totality. Otherwise you are not able to look at the picture in totality. Many people think this is the only life. So let us enjoy. Let us have wealth or other possessions through any means. Right? But it is only when you develop spiritually, that means you are able to pierce through that Mayavic or deceptive curtain and look at the reality and know that this life is not the only life. Life is going to continue. and you are going to pay back if you do anything wrong. Only then, through your spiritual development, you are infallible. You cannot fall, even if there is greatest temptation. In lust also, sex also, you have seen even the president of the United States, he fell because of lust. Right? Such a powerful person in a very powerful position could not control his sexual instinct. Why? Because the person is not spiritually developed. He is unable to pierce through that curtain and know. Once you pierce through that curtain due to your own spiritual development, then you find that you are not separate. There is unity among people. Right? We all seem to be waves, different waves in an ocean. But when you pierce through that deceptive curtain of Maya, then you know you are all part of one ocean, although you seem to be different waves due to this Mayavi curtain only. There are so many temptations. If you are a married person, so many people have extramarital affairs. Now, what stops you? The temptations are there. But stop what prevents you from deceiving your wife, not cheating your wife. What prevents you? Only, not moral values only, but your spiritual development. Because if you deceive someone, could be your wife or anyone, you have to pay back. You are spoiling your own character, your own record, which is going to go with you. And you have to pay back. Even in this life, you may be suffering at so many points, and you don't know why you are suffering. No, it could be that in your previous lives, you deceived others, you harmed others, you did something wrong to others. It could be. So, you have to pay back. So, it is only through your spiritual development that you can guarantee that you will never fall back. So, only the moral values are not enough. Spiritual development is a must if you want to evolve. That is the answer. Thank you for watching.